In this video, we're going to define absolute extrema, and that just means absolute maximums or absolute minimums. And these are just sometimes local maximums that become the absolute maximum, or sometimes local minimums that become the absolute minimum because they're either the highest or the lowest point on the entire domain of a function. So an absolute maximum is the largest value of the function on its entire domain. An absolute minimum is the smallest value of the function on its entire domain. So an absolute maximum or minimum is the y value, just like it was with the local maxes and mins, and it describes the highest or the lowest point on the graph. Let's look at this example to the left below. We've already seen this graph in the last video. So its domain is from negative infinity to infinity. We had 3 turning points, and we called these local mins and maxes. But we do have an absolute minimum right here at this turning point. So there's an absolute minimum of 0 at x equals 3. There is no absolute maximum because this graph, both towards negative infinity and towards positive infinity, the y values go to infinity. Let's look at the piecewise graph to the right. Let's define the domain first. It goes from negative 3 to positive 4. As we look from left to right, I see a highest point here. So this is an absolute maximum of 2 at x equals 2. I see a lowest point here. So this is an absolute minimum of negative 2 at x equals negative 3. And these other 2 turning points are just local. Here and here we have a local max, and we have a local min.